How to improve vision, myopia, and hyperopia through magic. Diagnoses doctors can't cure. What are they linked to in magic, and how to work with them? Usually this condition is always hereditary. If there is genetically poor vision, it will be present in all relatives. So, how to work with it? Firstly, eye gymnastics is a great method, with many exercises and diagrams available online. Do it every morning and evening to strengthen the retina and eye muscles. That's the first. Second, if the damage is extensive and the lens became extremely clouded, then I would recommend that you do not neglect surgery, because nowadays these type of procedures are performed routinely and the results are very good. Don't worry. If something appears in this world, remember, if a technology becomes available, it's needed. It should be used. Don't reject it. Using this technology may simply save you time. Magical methods may take longer, but medical ones are quicker, saving you time for more valuable pursuits. Examine the situation closely. Some things shouldn't be ignored. You need to clearly understand, is it deceiving your mind, or a tool you're truly entitled to use? If you have the right, use it.